our previous videos, we have introduced two laws of nature and Einstein-Newton-Darwin practices. By now, you've probably noticed that simpler solutions are key to the manifesto. The trouble is this. Many organizations started simplification within a box and it worked. But then complexity increased, a new pattern appeared. Simplification in the box led to cuts in delivering what people outside the box needed to do their jobs. Those outside had to start corrective actions. This created more complexity and bureaucracy down the road than was reduced inside the box. It is one of the reasons why the manifesto takes a different approach. The manifesto and what it proposes for solving complex problems is based on creating packages of simple but complementary solutions. The packages intervening where the highest impact can be made at the lowest cost and risk, as simple and concise as possible, complete enough to get initiatives and projects over the tipping point where they become executable, scalable, and durable at the system levels. With that, the challenge lies in creating solution packages tailored to specific problems and concrete environments. Even with the extension to Manifesto Intervention 4, it remains too difficult to identify environment-specific gaps and conflicts and resolve them within acceptable timeframes and costs. This is why the manifesto includes a guidance package of tutorials. It provides common gaps, conflicts, lessons learned, and solutions that deliver needed results where our long-standing approaches failed us. The package consists of the two tutorials you may have already seen, the video you are currently watching, practices which break trust versus practices which build trust, intervention points of the highest impact, one word to make better decisions and reduce bureaucracy drastically, and how simple solutions to highly complex problems can be found. This section consists of the Complexity Navigator, from solution possibilities to executable solution frameworks, a skill set for solving complex problems, a complementary innovation process for high to highest impact innovations, and a law of nature-based research model for complex matters. Let's finish this tutorial with further hard-to-ignore questions you can ask to guide decision makers, the advisors, and experts to the effective solutions. When we attempt to solve a complex problem, is the approach in line with the package needs for complex problems? Is the solution implemented by the highest impact first, then the next level, and so forth? Have representatives of those involved and impacted concluded together that the solution is executable, scalable, and durable at the system level? When only an in-the-box approach is possible, does the approach prevent creating more damage at the system level than value inside the box? With that, I would say let's continue by going right into how we can recreate trust, and if you are on the receiving side of communications, guide others to recreate trust. Thank you.